Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to learn about the explanation of Once Upon a Time, and which is written by a very famous Nigerian writer, Gabriel Okara. He was born in 1921 and was educated at Government College in the United States. He worked as a bookbinder also, and he won the British Commonwealth Prize for the Fisherman in Vocation Poetry in 1979. He wrote many other famous poems and novels. This poem, Once Upon a Time, is also a very famous piece of his work. Now, in this poem, the idea behind this poem is the writer is basically what he's doing is addressing two contrasted pictures of human behavior to his son. So he's not happy with the change in the society. Now a modern man is artificial in his behavior. They are no longer sincere and affectionate towards other. Whatever they pose in an artificial way. So there is no naturalness in their behavior. What the writer is having a feeling about the modern, what the writer feels about a modern man. And this poem is basically a satire on the modern man, and he wants to tell us that the modern man is very insincere, shallow and artificial, and people in the past were very pure and simple at their heart. Now, let's start with the stanza 1, where the writer has given us lines that once upon a time, the people used to laugh with their hearts and laugh with their eyes. But no, they only laugh with their teeth, while their eyes block cold eyes search behind my shadows. Now, here the poet is expressing his nostalgic feeling for the past, and he's trying to tell us that the people in the past used to very honest, straightforward, and polite. They were genuine, and now people only laugh their whatever they do in an artificial way, and laughing is devoid of warm feelings. Their eyes are even not having any sincere looks. He has compared eyes with the ice block. That means the eyes of the person is like ice block, which is not having any expression and affections. Now in the second stanza, there was a time indeed they used to shake hand with their hearts, but that's gone, son. Now they shake hand without hearts. Now he's saying here in this stanza that the people now shake hand just as a formality. They don't mean it. And while shaking their hand, their other hand always in a search of this, that the person whom they are shaking hand is having enough money or not. No, they are having insincere feeling and not any warmth in the shaking of hand. No, third, he says that feel at home, come again, they say, and when I come and feel at home, there will be no thrice. No, he says that modern man welcome each other. Internally, they don't feel like they wear, in the fourth stanza, they wear many faces. They are having cocktail face, street face, office face, host face, and they are having different faces. Their smile is portrait matlab never changing, and they welcome on meeting people in a very artificial way. Now he, in the fifth stanza, he's asking his son to tell him, to teach him the innocent behavior which he is having, and he wants to unlearn all the muting things which the society has given him, which the society asks him to do, and he himself is not having a love for that kind of behavior. So now the affectation has crept into human relationship, and the people are not having any warmth and sincere feeling for the other. At the end, he is asking his son that he's desiring to his son, that teach him how to smile in a natural way, how to laugh in a natural way, as he used to do in the past when he was child. And also he wants to unlearn the things which modern man has taught him. So he himself has seen a drastic change in his own behavior with growing years, and now he want his son to teach him how to be natural and real. So in the poetic technique which is used in this is transfer epithet, and the whole poem is about a satire on modern man. He is not liking the behavior of modern man. They are very superficial and artificial. So this is all about Once Upon a Time. I hope you all have understood the poem. Stay happy and healthy.